All right, and here is well, it's not number five because I did not do them in order, but here was the one that was getting the most engagements, saves, likes, and interests, I'm gonna say, was this dress, black and white. Definitely something you can wear during wedding season. That was definitely what it was gravitating to when it came to our Pinterest. That's where these outfits are coming from. But how would I summarize this look? This is the timeless dress. This is the timeless white and black dress. I know there's a little black dress that everybody likes to coin, but I would say that this is the timeless black and white dress. It does have a unique like ombre type of design going on, but I'm sure if you were able to fit this 10, 20 years from now, you still would grab attention. You still will look timeless. You won't look dated when it comes to this dress. I really like it. I would wear it. You can wear it like this. You can have a nice little red lip on. There's just a lot of different ways that you can kind of play it up or play it down. But this was definitely popular among the wedding dresses that was trending in October. So why does it work? Again, like I said previously, this is the aesthetic that is a part of my audience, whether it's online or offline, whether you're 30, whether you're 25, whether you're 35, or whether you're 47. The majority of my clientele are into conservative type of looks. Some of them, a small segment of them want to be fashion forward, but majority of the time they have a more conservative type of look. They have conservative type of a color palette because things need to be worn multiple different ways in multiple different times. So with this, I mean, you can wear this at many different occasions and wear and accessorize it many different ways. So that is why it works. It's very compatible in different occasions, and that is what a lot of my clients are looking for because they are worried about other deals, other, things that's going on with their business, and they just want to have a quick decision when it comes to wardrobe. Now, can you wear this for work? Depending on what you do, you can. But I would not advise it. I would say this is more of personal. If you had a job where there was like after hours and they had like a cocktail type of event, then yes, I think this would be a great look. But to work, no. Now, when it comes to my styling notes, the fit is already good in my opinion. I think it graces her body very well. I love the length. You can't see her shoes. I would not do bangles. This dress is just too clean. Again, as I summarize it, it's the timeless black and white dress. I would not do any bangles. I would really keep this look very clean. I think the attention should probably be more in a very sharp hairstyle. When I mean sharp, I mean like if you're getting your hair cut, like, or if you have a bob, it is like a very tight straight line type of bob. I would definitely have a very pristine type of hairstyle and a really clean, neat makeup, and then a nice subtle pop type of lipstick. That is my styling notes for this look. I like to kind of stay on task when it comes to look. I don't want things to be competing, especially if you are a person who really likes their personality to show more than their image. Those are some of the questions that I ask. I don't just throw looks on people, because sometimes some people like to be minimal with their wardrobe, but their personality is just so big. Their voice is so big. So I allow that to kind of just shine through. So here are the analytics. As you can see, this dress was very much so very, very popular when it was the wedding season. Wedding season in the United States is October, because I know other countries is other months, but this was the popular months. And shout out to everyone who added that image to their boards. There was more than that, but I'm kind of like looking at these pictures. These pictures look like fuzzy and scammy, but whatever. I wanted to show you guys. Shout out to everyone who added that picture to their boards.